If your Sceptre monitors blinks blue light, then you're not alone. Many other users also face the same issue. In this video, we will dive into the possible causes and solutions for why your monitor is blinking blue. Let's get started. If your Sceptre monitor's blue light is blinking, there could be a couple of reasons. The most common is that the monitor might be in sleep mode or power save mode. This often happens when the computer connected to the monitor is not in use for a certain period. During this time, the monitor reduces its energy usage by going into a standby state, indicated by the blinking blue light. Once you move the mouse or press any key on the keyboard, the monitor should wake up and the blue light should become steady. If the issue still persists, then it could be due to the monitor not receiving a signal from the computer. This could be due to a loose cable. Check all your connections to ensure they are firmly in place. If this doesn't solve the issue, it might be a technical problem with the monitor itself or the computer's graphics card. In such cases, you may need to contact technical support or consider getting expert help. If you are not able to get in touch with an expert, then click on the link in the description below for further instructions. If you like this video, then do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.